Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my kyushu J7W shinden airplane. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah. So first, you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you're going to start out with a bird base. So you want to fold it in half, like so. And then you want to fold it in half again, like this, okay? And then you're going to open up this pocket right here, then fold that down. Okay, then you want to flip it over and you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down. And then you see where the open side is right here. You see this two edge right here. You want to fold that right onto the center crease line right here, okay? Like so. And then you see this little triangle on top, leaning against this edge right here. You want to fold this whole triangle down. Okay, like so. Okay, then you want to unfold all that. And then you take that first top layer right here, and you want to fold that right onto, right up to this crease line on top, okay? You want to fold that crease line down, and then you want to bring this edge right here, this edge as well, to the center line, folding this crease line that we just folded, same on the bottom as well. So bring that edge right up to that center line like that. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on this side. So you see that crease line, you want to fold that crease line down, bringing this whole edge towards the center, okay? And now you want to do the same thing on the other side, so you want to flip it over to this side now. So fold that top crease line, so bring this whole thing over and fold that top crease line down, just like this. Okay, and then fold the side crease line that we just folded before, bringing this whole edge onto the center, okay? Okay, just like that. Here's the bird base. And now bring these two pieces right here towards the bottom, like so. And then you want to bring these corners right here onto that center point where that two crease line meets. But then if you bring this corner up to that same point, it will help keep this side parallel to the center. So bring this bottom point up to that same point where that crease line meets, and then bring these two corners, four corners actually. Okay, leaning against this edge, it will help it keep it parallel. Okay, same thing on this side. Bring this corner right on there. Okay, now you can bring this triangle down. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over and leaning against that back edge right here, you want to bring this corner right onto that center point right there. Okay, and match it with the back side, of course. Okay, same thing here. So this corner right onto that center point. Okay, and now unfold. Make a good crease. Just don't forget. Okay, unfold all that. And now you're going to sink all these corners inside, okay? So you want to open up that area right there. And you see that smaller triangle in the middle? You want to fold up all the crease line, okay, on the side. Just like that, and fold in the middle. So you see all those crease line, you want to fold up all that crease line down. Just like that. And do that for the rest of the corners. Okay, so open up this side here. Then fold down all the crease line on the side. Okay. Then fold this down. Just like that. And on this side as well. So open this whole area up. Fold the crease line, that little triangle. Okay, then fold down on the center. Okay, and finally the last one right here. Open this up, just like that. And then fold down all the crease line. Okay, then fold down on the central crease line right there. Okay, and now you want to take the bottom layer, bottom piece right here, and fold it right across like this, okay? And then you want to bring this two edge on the side right onto that front edge here, okay? Just like that, and fold it in half, like that. Okay. And then you want to pre-crease it first, so you're making the cockpit. So you want to fold this edge right onto the bottom, okay? Edge, bottom crease line. Okay, just like that. Okay, then you want to unfold, then fold this over, okay? So open it up, fold that whole piece, fold the crease line, okay? Then fold this back down. And now you see where this corner is right there. You want to fold this whole triangle up like this, and fold that corner in right where this corner is, okay? This point. So right around there. Okay? And fold this inside, just like that. Okay, now flip it over to the bottom right here, and you see this piece right here, fold it kind of back, and from the center right here all the way to this corner, you're gonna open this pocket and fold this all the way out. Okay, just like that for the wings. Same thing on this side, so from that center all the way to that corner. So open up this pocket and fold out that wing there. Okay, then you want to bring this point all the way to the side edge. Okay, just like that, or it's not touching, yeah, like that. Then zigzag fold it back out like so. Same thing on this side, so try to match it with the other side, of course, as well, and fold it back out. Okay, and now you see this corner, lift that corner up. Okay, and lift the other corner up as well, and also on the bottom as well. Okay, okay, then you see this back edge right here, you want to fold in that back edge. Same thing here. And of course on this side as well. Okay, and same thing on the top. Okay, then you want to fold in these corners, this tip right here, and try to match it with the other side as well. So fold in that tip, just like that for the wings. And now for the front wings, so flip it over to the bottom side, and then you want to open up this pocket from this center point right up to this corner right here. Okay, just like that, and same thing on this side as well. So from this center point up to this corner right there. Then fold this whole thing down. Then you see where this corner is, you want to bring this whole layer right here and fold it right up to this side corner right here. Okay, flip it back over and fold this whole thing in half. Now wait, this is a little bit, try to match it with that corner, yeah, like that, a little bit, yeah, just like that. Okay, and make a crease from this corner all the way to the back. Okay, fold up the wings. Okay, and now you want to fold the center crease line right onto the bottom side, right onto these corners right here. Okay, as you can see right there. So fold these corners right here onto the center line. Okay, from the cockpit all the way down. Okay, then fold this whole thing down. Then you see that front piece right here, so you're gonna hide that inside, okay? So just fold that back in, just like that, then fold it again. Okay, then you're gonna round out the plane, so come inside here and kind of fold that in. And you see these corners as well, you wanna kind of fold them in like this way, okay, towards the center line. Okay, so here's the J7W shinden. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.